Mirror with a malfunction. There was once a boy who was very rich and clever. He had practically everything a boy could ever want. So he was only interested in the most rare and curious of objects. This happened to him in relation to a very old mirror, and he convinced his parents to buy it from a mysterious old man. When the mirror arrived at home, the boy went to see his reflection in it. His face looked very sad indeed. He tried smiling and making funny faces, but his reflection continued with its sad expression. Surprised, the boy went off to buy sweets. He came home as happy as can be to look in the mirror, but his image was still sad looking. He bought all kinds of toys and old junk, but forever looked sad in that mirror. Fed up, the boy stuck the mirror off in a corner. Crikey, what a terrible mirror! It's the first time I've seen a mirror that didn't work properly. That same afternoon, he went into the street to play and to buy a few toys. But on his way to the park, he saw a little boy who was crying his heart out. The boy was crying so much and looked so lonely that the rich boy went over to help him and to see what had happened. The little one told him that he had lost his parents. Together the two boys set off in search of them. As the little boy wouldn't stop crying, our boy spent his money on buying him sweets to cheer him up. Finally, after much walking, they found his parents, who were out looking for him, very worried. The rich boy said goodbye and walked off towards the park. But seeing the time, he decided to turn round and head for home, without having been able to play, without toys and without money. At home, he went to his room and noticed a shining light in the corner, the same corner he had left the mirror in. Seeing this, he went over to the mirror and realized that the light was coming from his own body, so radiant with happiness he had become. And so he understood the mystery of that mirror, the only mirror which could faithfully reflect the true joy of its owner. He realized it was true. He felt genuinely happy at having helped that little boy. And since then, each morning, when he looked in that mirror and failed to see a special shine, he already knew what he had to do to bring it back.